This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You first confirm compatibility. Not every Samsung device supports fingerprint unlocking the same way, so check your exact model. Once done, update Android and Samsung firmware to ensure the sensor software is current. Now go to Settings, Biometrics, and Security. You will begin the enrollment flow. Make sure the finger you register is clean and dry, and temporarily remove screen protectors that interfere with sensing so the scanner can read your fingerprint accurately. You tap fingerprints and authenticate with your current PIN or pattern, then follow the prompts to enroll. Press the pad repeatedly, varying angle and pressure so the sensor captures ridges around the whole fingertip. This improves recognition. Once the initial scan completes, continue when prompted to capture edges and different positions. Add at least 2 fingers you commonly use, and register a secure backup method, a PIN or pattern, because the phone will require it for major changes. You finish by testing unlock repeatedly, using natural hand positions so the sensor learns real-world angles and motion. Make adjustments if recognition is inconsistent. Once reliable, enable Samsung Pass and app-specific biometric unlocks to use fingerprints for passwords and banking apps. If the sensor struggles, clear the stored fingerprints and re-enroll, verify the protector or case isn't misaligned, and reboot the device. If issues persist, contact Samsung.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.